Well, Yasaba, I don't want to see that. I yes, Sister Sandy, Professor Ike, was a fear man, Quatamakule, or Master of Matimini, and Dinkomo. Abedu Bray, and so you know, but to us and Commodine national. But it's a moment for we came quickly. Nami Adman, now Chie was a Jimasi Presby Primary Park. Memenda we are 7 making. Generally, that also do no what it was a Jimasi Presby Primary Park. A 1 week observation. The late Obapen Florence Abna Chumwa Edu and Mame and I say and na the Bapen Danny Kofi Edu professor a year Sejimasi Presby Primary. Momian Kotai people don't have friend Santa Baron but they don't also friend Kwabnedu. Momian Kotai Nechi na Uncle Dini Mame na Otrida. And an in your pain, so now what you da. Inti Obapen Florence Abena Chumwa Edu and of a Professor Danny Kofi Edu. 1 week observation. Inti Mr. Owa Onimira Santa Biano Santa Baron and I say Kwabna Edu no also Omodiana Ben and Amano Yako Namani Shedi. Nakotanachi Miminda Eda enemy. Yedi Kabo Hoderu say there any sector minister transport ebetwitwen komo mo dey a lot of questions so aba mame ema wonti asiese nkomo no emu ye miensa ba ko gina eye central region eho mpanyufo ho no mo no ema MPP amanyuko no o etitinani ewo dwumede bi akoso ho de toso eba be gina eye na so eye na nkasa nyoma binima mo bi eye interested say esi ebusate say Keta Seaport ho asem Keta Port ho asem na the kwakwa no ene ye komfie nso munisa the party MPP under the leadership of Nana Addo Danko Akufo-Addo ye nkontebu ayebu eni ono nso nkontebu awobu ye de tu nsani ni na etimehwe baabi a ebetimi abalance act no nti ifri sabri kopem se nonkono bo menu mi nyina ya sede se itimi ehwe ma o my Ghana kodum pempenso a sese edu minister Kwaku Asiamah afishapa akwaba so
kama mejo na se enu awon mi kasa ye da mo si ye be kasa central region asem na
no problem we say do yenya do tu jasa ebinum so wo nkomo bia ya na mususu se bia na ya ka chia no ananye sa na tie for instance ye be kasa mo kan asem si coastal so cold room afa along the coastal lines ebinum so mo nya hwe clearly there should be an explanation ye yakohu una minister e wo honum sa na tie na nti
eyada no problem kakra isi Ghana hanum ya tana honum ama bibia ne de ya aman so MPP NDC ni aka temi fi se so oman bi ana aban bi wo wo oman no ka so obeye bibi na media na mutumi kona muku
se de no sitie
tia ese muka dan se mboma politician na bado abeka na NDC abeka afi na nkofo no kwa so we mu kra de sa na omotie da bia ka prefer se nka muko ye no mo so we bia elimina port na president ka so obisi no abono wasi because a bell landing site a crew mu ya journalist mukuta ayi nyina
bia me ahodo e ka say be say
who had no more 80% how much do see meka I mean I don't have any problem because I think they been doing so why da bia na akoy MPP
e koy amanyo sema yehu ne kure wu
the essence of ade na ban na ye ne yehu ntiana ka me prefer na ka wo be ka
ye di adansiri wi na say entie sa ne
very good da bia ka so be ye ade yi o ka so be ye mo anwie ana mo wie dia ba dia atosini na aka se be ka dia no won ndisi aba na aka se oh da be me na me yesi na but never did
noted for instance say na me ka say za Keta ho nsensemi
ye beka
ye akoho probably the best of another is this is Keta assassin the ho ya ntam no absolutely ye ni should visa bibi anywhere ekoso we need to understand from the minister's point say e dey important pa na ekoso ma ama ebinim raise issues about it. But Central Region, what was the motivation?
Yeah, come on, medasi. Na ma fefidi so na ma da Ghana fo nyina se na adwuma kese a multimedia mo ye dia abo aman no. no man na tumpo no mo nkoso because mo fidie dia em say Ghana ha na koba bia mo bia tamba am do say na na do amamu no bu no bia ka mo pa mhwe ban ka si abusi ai pa do say hey multimedia where is Ghana ayo
Ghana ye ko yanim
ko mo ni
ese ye ko yanim
da ka si abusi there mo ya dia
efa mo chefa wo yanim onyam na ye benim because no man ko ya aka je ba affect
wa ya dia me dia da bia na me pese obi odi bibi besi na nisu ade wo na meye no nyankopon amwa na ntumpo sabi ade a waye o kire bi oni no ma Ghana nyina benya ho ni se o hyemu kina na ye kese a na eboa emo ma no sie nti no kufu
ba me to ase amanyo se nkomo ade di kan sin efepa o minister o dem se efepa na do adaro ma multimedia expansion
bi men kasa eze Ghana ye di do we kufu do mu no multimedia se da kese abotimasi at this critical time ya that we say but ni nyina kan kobra yeah me say politics na ye no do mu bia wo bu kompon ahwechi no musa ade ya mi ye so ba ban fa so ma me mai so ba so ma me ku say ye be ko election no central regional chairmanship no regional election ni mo hye man for kra betena kan wa unim ni bi kasa na e mo hye pan ye ko ye no the incumbent chairman na ye Robert Kutin Jr. ono na wi ni ye na kwabna ade ye ne say so bia wo ye ade na wo ye analysis wo sisi ho no da bi ade we ba bi edu say me yese ya say me di bi bedandan no so that the objective na da manim no enyina nsa beka say central region that day me ba mo afidie bi kan a gateway to victory political election bia
in Fremantle
unless you are not a student of politics since 96 I started competitive politics and I'll give you the figures 1996 out of 17 seats, MPP, you started competitive. You need 3. Me am a padencha. Satana ya padencha. Si onyando. Cape Coast. Mami. So one only no. Anti-Christ. Ena adumazi. Yankupo mfane kresi. Si onyando yankupo form kresi. NDC we need 14. Omo we need presidential election. They won. Omo we need general election. Fast forward 2000, MPP benya 8 out of 70, NDC winning 9. 8 extra 5 ne nya ene ye wa wadanfo me am nua payini. Kana Japan asin of Professor Phobia asin South. Honorable Champon yankopon fa na currency. Aguna East. PCIP Ofori. Eskimo W Brakwa. Na Obodai ewo Aguna West. NDC winning 9 in the first one. Second round, no say Adnasan, no NPP be winning. 2004, correct? They call 19 consensus. 19 consensus, no. MPP winning say he winning 16. The 2004 down 17 na MPP a call. NDC winning only 2 per. Near chair, he might lower than trouble. Number 2 for Timokwa. And a chair padencha, 2004, a chair padencha. 2. Near Benya 19. Yeah, we need 16. NDC we need 2. A Timokwa and a Confi. And a Bakri, the Marcosindo. 2008, a coin, in 8. NDC nya 11 omo win election near call 2012 you move from 19 constituencies to 23 no you drop by 7 NDC winning no omo win election 2012 the same 19 2012 you dey call 12 you dey call 23 no and so omo winning and you back 2016 no, you be winning 19 constituencies. NDC winning only 4 per Aguna East, Ejumako, Cape Coast South, and Akak 1 constituency, and KE. So we figures now with the amount. And you call 2020.
I decided of the elections.
2020 no. You call your pet. In the presidential election, Leonardo dropped from 21 constituencies. In 2016, we need 21 constituencies. President.
That's presidential.
Presidential. And then we need 19 parliamentary. Or drop from 21 to 19 constituencies. And you drop parliamentary from 19 to 10. So because we win a central region, we win election. Parliament is a problem this year. It's a problem because of central region. And this now we share the effect of central region, but any effect on western region. Because you know why you boom, BBA, boom, Jogate, Kobe, regional minister, Jogate, boy, you know, you boom, Japan, many regional chairman, boom. And you know, regional chairman who said, why the fact I studies. And I studied natural, I said, when you want to have a toy in 2020, no, and no, that my parliamentary season, a day. In the last week, we chairman, last 2 weeks, no, regional chairman, friend paying for more region from the 4 time up to present day. MMDCs, President go 4 times, MPs, President go 4 times, party executive, President go 4 times, Mumbai ministers, regional party, national party, free region, up to today, including current ministers, I mean, count, you could shy. Uncle Kwan Bates by, Fred Owari by, Fred Owari has been a regional minister, Honorable Japan, Olidi, parliamentary caucus, Alex Markin, Umuna account, who share regional executive, and a national party better yachi. Na kwabra wo hwe ade esi ho no ma na efe na me se wa wadamfo eko usi onze wonjonjo kikraba obai because why former regional executive that do you suspending why regional obai obakasai se chairman de esi bia yin afo ya wonche pa chairman gitum national twamfo de fefe after that no me atwata me se na me atwata kasa and so that day ni share ozufuri me se ato. We want to win election. So we share Juma President Kofo by year 2000 and from year 2000 up to the year 2008. And when you want to see and you win election and Ghana get do your name. You call your pet and then this by no Santam. A DB on we are on Betuguya and on we are the open. And the who said, say, I can't one book anytime we win election, Pia or Central Libya, I am Kabum, a key. Minka say, no, the only factor. But we should analysis now be now. Unity, no here. And the chairman say we can never be better forever. Dr. Sibu, Professor Sibu, contested chairman, was there. In fact, we because so chairman, there will be our own fan chair. Now, only Dr. Sibu to Babaka is always what they are chairman. A crime is before us about lose election. The media, and I'm a be a chairman of the elections committee. By any S3, and no child after that, a Kafaya Hung. Particularly said this week, chair my friend parliamentary groups no or no mush and the but I idea see and Mrs. Sir. You make any one first because in penny football be said prior we back we who cut the bullying in Buma air netting. Now you said you can't boom near your Jumadea region, you be winning. Now we hear science now air cost on air banner effort. And the regional chairman said obey what started in the healing process. The region there, see our Obabeko constituency to constituency. Near constituency beyond how be a so you no problem be beyond any able to myself. But political party activities no. Not we are Ikakra, the independent science no. We will come back on. So me no want to quite near kind of woman. But it are for Nina Eba. So, what to me catch them say, me na me comment to kwa. Maybe I didn't me traso. Muni na momra na juma di nyemo. The feel say because ya hwe ne magana said ya Ghana ekono. Ya san so tena ho na sabio Nyankopon empangu NDD for power. Ghana for ho be kire mpa.
Are you sure?
Oh, kwabra. See ana mkeka Zambia na izinye Zambia e de yaka. The records are there. Aho kire ba. President has said it. I don't think say Ubia organ ha bi ankasa ngutre but ngandis na power ka ngutre no be more
the head na mo jump at that conclusion say if the SDC na nanke power aka need the ngabia the Ghana akoshe
me na bubu bi o say anadwo sia anadwo eba kokko yesuntum ade ye kokko edu anadwo a say tuntum say kokko say tuntum because shan bi antoso no wahu shan bi antoso no wahu ndisi abubu man na da ye hu di omo ye ye ni omo caliber omu nye nkofo omu nye politics organ ye no mo na aye na me ka chewo se nka nye yankopo da this time president na kufu na ye president organ na ma kwabra ka hu chire be ko nka di o ka asem bi o so woni nimdi a wu a o de be revival be nimdi o de be revival economy ndi wonim kwabra me ka asem chiro brodo ye todi kwa brodo first near ton bi kwa less than 1 pound and ukuta 5 pounds kwa unto bento brodo keke. And there's some the perspective of the world economy. You know, baby, you just see. Say we are saying, but it be the PhD. We have difficulties. There's no doubt about it. But the president has the capacity to resolve those problems.
President Akufo-Addo.
Oh, of course. I mean, you see, who compare an junior we are and I be who said yet here.
But Mr. Sao say Ghana focus.
Oh, Mr. Candice is also come back as some more. Komu kasa 10 and come back as 100. Omu chiro mutu omu ba chiro mutu 20. On a different day you come to that.
I'm more interested in how I will compare MPP NDC. And then the record says nyanya me na ye Adom.
The records and you see that be a kasa tell them say. Mbetana ma NDC ni MPP ba. No more be kanguma. Omu do mom come to makan some kase. Now it is lost on people. The essence of it. The who are we media man now? War record. I think I would to make. Now we defend it with statistics.
No, sometimes your books bet my correct.
Minimum
No, sometimes.
We are no Muslim.
No, Hadia, Wadarma. Whether we NDC, MPP, near the okay country and I did a the mining here. The here say, good. No credit, we don't have a problem.
The figures are there.
Yeah, so that one there.
The figures are there.
But the point is that the Baba Central region, so but what is an issue of comparison? My Ghana for the very interesting, very beautiful. Why in Central region, the administration of Akufo-Addo reflect on in Central region?
Papa, Mamin Kanchiro, Uba Central region. A Juma ye pa a ponano, a fishing, you know, monko a ponumu yinam. On to say a banana condition, woman is too bad, Cobna. So ko shebe bi na yam yire no money ma me no money nua no motra aywenam wodwuma na nye and ye ba yes I'm talking to you today. President see the third fishing harbor in this country. Ka we ending of February ye kwako handing over. Nya fishing nya landing site too. The third fishing harbor in this country. So obi ojina owo emi na bia central bia no kanjo. Ya completely fishing harbor. By February ended.
February,
February, I cock come. Omo we cry. I cock come in. My track class. I need to make sure me yes on run test to be. Near I cock commission. The third fishing number in the history of this country. Apart from that, landing site. I a friend Habon kitten. Mamma Mamubo Kruno. Netie. So I watch now. Obi bano be catch the wa no. Yes, ya ye biwo Mori. What do go Mori? Ya ye biwo Manford.
Mugusu amoye ana moye
din ye ebi won ma ye do 90%, ebi ye do 80%, ebi ma do 70%, ebi kwa ye 100%. Ne nyina ye be commission nyina.
So these are the sites I bobo no.
Meba
I kwa ebi hu these persons.
Oh. And it is that day we hu yan ka ma me be kan.
No, sometimes it's good to blow. So ye be see actually. Ye see actually ko. Yeah, whichever way is good. That you are the minister. Minister, clearly, you are an honorable minister. You've sworn an oath. In 2 minutes now, and trying.
Yes, you see the Mikazem Beach. And then me to Mikazem Beach. Yeah, the politicians never can. Then the Vonaba, no more so Abeka. Now, they pinting.
Maybe a map multimedia platform. To the Encoso, Grona, of course.
Mori. Yayebi Mfanteman. Ye no commands ye no abanzi ye Mfanteman de ni nwi. Yayebi Manford which is Gumwa West. Yayi bi Winiba. Yayi bi wo Gumwa Fete. And yayi bi wo Ewudu City. Okay,
so 5 places in now. 6 in now. Emu de wo na yewie.
So what the fishing about can was 7.
Mo wie.
Me see, ebi wo no maka 2%, bi maka 3%. You bet my commission in nane. We are running tests. And then no pekran ye in addition to that community project. Ebi a school, ebi a hospital, ebi a coin, ebi a market, ebi a say. I don't have the details, but I can sit down with you. This is the impactor, President, because what the fishing community is concerned.
Well, largely that's what the people rely on.
Yes, sufficient.
Mama, reasonable satisfaction.
Uko ada koko area na wuni majuma ami wofa. Akoto aye. Planting for food and jobs. No koko ni rules atwata at miaminia amakwata aye. Enye ni nyina na ebetuma ye. Mami man one typical road or central region very significant. So we share chufu praso to dunkwa ayase road. Kone ko hwe kwan ya mawoms eye wo. This road so yeah, if you had no money, you could crew. Who could fat or boss? I think they would take you bare 6 or 8 hours. And then what do my crew? I said, then Adom nothing. When you go for capus, Kwana Kabe, Kabe 1/3 near here from Honolulu to Dunkwa. It will take you about 4 hours. That is a significant impact that President is making towards the life of people in the
Central Region.
But Oliver Twist, you will come before Yebusa. Says to me, ne boy, ne improve the lifestyle. And on the developmental issues, na on the different day, remember, na canning na bono maka. But central region politics in Yamene, because it has shown say any political party beer since the 96 years started competitive politics. So in the 2 years, but we share them started competitive politics. Now we share the results in central region. Now we political party be winning central region be winning election. Now your region and win see the agro. Na me kan win it nkabom ehia. The chairman Robert Kutin Jr. was so on one kasa ne ho reconcile. Ekowusi on one kasa ne ho. Yeah, because as you are pragmatic. See you win for the first time no. You be see ya dey be yen bi organ ada. Since I started competition started here no. Obi on to be in third term. You see, you cut them because based on the Juma Yaye, based on the Juma Yaye Magana from you say Gana for my coin, they continue on mine. So 2008 on my coin, you continue on mine now. Baby, I do. Yes, be and get this for about 3 and quite 3. And now the buy was starting to Kana. It's any covered in the Russia, Ukraine, boom. But I may walk GD say Tama the next 2 years now on con. The normal assassins and you. In person, also we have specific because COVID. Any Russia and Ukraine command by a hard. I didn't never had it. You all share the Auditor General report about how we manage COVID in the same year. I mean, person I call and I beg you no. So I'm up for that. And a COVID ni Ukraine Ukraine ni Russia sema working. Obi hard meet. O shall say would say who say we are Siafra na nyina no. Ezi di ka twa mfonyini say the we are siniko. What's agia to me say ampa Ghana mampen ene na poundfo agia to me say emre wo mu normal times. But at the same time, say bi didi, e bi tumpon, e bi sik adan, e bi bi school, e bi hihye kwan, e bi opportunities. So sometimes when we overly rely on COVID, yeah, Russia and Ukraine, I am common akoye yakoshe chire too much, e be bi yitie Kwabra, o min ka so. No na da bia na meka. So ya fad na to the right perspective. When they come near hwe. Ade bia ye bia no. Ghana ha na ye wonne no. Ghana we live in a global village.
Yenye island.
Island. Ghana nko antwene ho mfi wiase nyina ho.
No nko agina konti.
No nko agina konti. No kata ade me na otie yi. Ye wo ye koto ye the American dollar na eto. Ananya American dollar na eto. The American dollar no gain strength in all the world. Every currency bia na affect you as the economy bia. How do you feel? We may have our own petty problems here and there, which is normal. But we are looking up at the global issues, which have direct impact on us. And they say, "Ba, now go for the general report. Now go for school BSc and now the because we no Ghana for the problem different now. Individual country peculiar issues. We are talking about the general issues that are affecting now. And because on another day you will come and talk about those things.
But let's get to your ministry, because Central is the ultimate aim. The ultimate aim, they say, "Yen come mum, na yen say, idea yen be the Oman Ghana muno. Yen sabit me aka."
Because so when we need Central region, we win election.
So we a key.
And into the man national chairman. Me person baho. Idea na ye no. National chairman was there. The general secretary
of the MPP.
Because I didn't know. And on the gateway, I have a party reorganization. And only after that. The national chairman was there. The general secretary was there. The national organizer was there. The woman organizer was there. The third vice chairman was there. The national treasurer was there. The national youth organizer was there. And the former general secretary, election, no beer himself, regional chairman, no one support him. John Godu was there. John spoke. Professor Kumfiami, our contest national chairman, was there. Joe Osewusu, the first speaker, deputy speaker, was there. Nitiu, the minister for defense, was there. And we actually said, we want to unite the rank and file of our party for election 2024. No more team plan informed by Castle Mokai and the need for Central Region to unite, because Central Region are Ghana for politics will be a shame. National chairman, no need meeting cumulative. Also for you, I need you. We need to sit down and plan how I better replicate the way for every region. Because maybe a two baby I dear back one am you be sure. I see a near first Central. Yeah, Mamma got some trouble. The year 2016, the regional executive for our Central Region echo every polling station. Listen to my word. Every polling station in Central Region. Omo touchy base. 2020, because I'm Tawan Omo to Banco. When your party people see that you are together, they rally behind you.
When your party has worked and is attractive in the region and on national basis, it's very, very attractive.
I don't think the MPP, any political party, will be more attractive in this country than the new patriotic party. I don't think that any political
MPP
party...
MPP in its current form.
Oh, comrades, and do you see the mistake you are making is because one or two issues we doesn't mean I did not tell
it happens. Administration-wise, by your governance, it happens.
And now once you are in government, you have to say what cook a food, and I will come room, no cook trom na diaba. Oba obi person will trebi. To be will be trebi than the pet than the boy.
But that is why you have displayed leadership in Central Region. Okay. I'm saying the bigger picture is that what the trom onaba. So how do you manage? Say the be bemo obia some etmaba.
Me can say in Chichemunu. We were cast over some resident second by than a chance in the sun. And to a tracker circle as a woo. That's a would trust no tea be handsome. Now castle there be ABSA, Nisi, ABA watch now, but the food forever. Me buy a unya catwa to be charming, make sure say, we be yakasier. Sa, no. Once I could come through Monadia Befino, a dear I thought Crown be out and be in your baby. Now some bow me do watch it. Political party, I know. Once you are in government, it's not an easy thing. No. You see, if you are in government, there are certain people who opposition, once about power, but we don't sack them, you manage it.
But have you managed it well?
You have managed it. You've managed it. In today, media, social media, social media, yeah, political party, I didn't hear. And I think behind the top on I think beyond my kind of cuckoo, a kind of them. And this we were count one thing. Now a solution to it that you don't come and follow the person. Now so much. Obi wa kwamba wa kan. You see, put my friend if I be 100 aba. Obi ka so much more. Mube 80 biti 20 80 da. So na de netie. And so when you 80 na kan no kwa aboa. 80 na wonya na emu betuma ye adwuma ama 20 na be kan. And you be an out child and how money be at and so.
But what makes say goodwill never form?
Oh, you see, I have told you, say, government in power, or popularity above.
It will be dependent on what you do. Say,
how you behave. Power, or popularity.
Not all the time, Minister.
Be a student of politics. Be a student of Ubu grandpa, Madame for one the bread, Unya Bibi man, the Bufu, popularity in the face of that popularity above.
Ubu wa down for no ono the bread.
Unya Bibi man, the popularity above.
Jemun sem ni bebre.
By so unko abefaso na no mu na beka be kai se ekoya ade wi o bi send me message mo mbetina ho no mo no ye frɛ mo kra mo mfa ye be make sure some go position na me ka jan the tobo ye kan trasa president for time ye mu bi ye nya post da e bianka 2018 bianka na do ba ye nya post ni bi di kwama ye so ye kwa me birum so aba bi. So long as you continue to be in power, we be in your post, or channel will be in your post. So why ya no power now? Post now power channel on Sanka. The whole man independent testing me back. Was the minister? As one catch them in tea. The open will be a year for you. You only get what you are looking for if you are in power. The age men are Kasembi in 1996. That was in 98. What we need is power. So when you have power, idea be to be implement.
But you've gotten power, but managing the power is a problem.
And I'm saying getting the power is different, and managing it different. I'm saying that we have managed it better than what NDC would have managed this country.
7 years almost.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Me say comparison to Yabeye. Me say Yabeye. And I'm saying that in resolving political party issues, and you said you and you didn't accountable. You would your accountability and you would your Canada. This all the demo the other 12 months the other one we are now could know good.
Well, if you've just joined, Kwaku Ofori Asiamah, Minister of Transport, and make us say lots of your text messages, but you know, I'll beat him to his game because about the I just want to say, or your MPP there and also Ghana. That's the difficulty.
No, that's
the difficulty. That's the difficulty to me and I represent only a political party. Because or Ghana Japan he probably we've dealt with central region and matters arising and a bit of the Ghana factor. But clearly, ministry no woman, a very revered and important ministry. And there are a lot of things in so we need to know, we need to understand. Makacho nanoda mi chemuna meshe Sadia one Otiko Koso, Nana Unkoso no pay machia. Wankra. Yeah, you need to tell us. Because me call but me trem by the roadside.
That is the problem.
But I have to be very honest. I have to be very honest. The reason is that it has been explained severally in the dailies. Say, nan only ohine twa homem. Mo face biase. And I'm saying I've been truthful. But me nam kwano na me hwe me at the right time. Me nam kwano me hwe.
Now what is the definition of your right time?
No other assignments I have to engage myself.
Which is more important than one right?
No other assignments I have to engage in. And there are other people who are also assigned to the issue of one crime. No, there are other people who have also been assigned to the issue of one crime. I don't have the power to assign. Okay. Those people now are assigned. Clearly, if you're not getting a report from them, my initial deductions, I drive by the main road, one crane, say, so that's why, say me ignorant on this matter. Debbie.
What your narrative right now, I should say, you have not been fair to Ghanaians.
No, I'm saying I am ignorant on the matter. This one crab matter. Exactly. That's my point. Until I get that. No, but because your cat is almost 1 year, now you're dreaming. It is a mutual. I'm saying,
one year, your cat is on September 2020. More than 2 years, almost 2 years, more than 2 years.
So what's going on, Mister?
I am going to. Let me say, I idea what kind here.
Yeah.
So we call the history of Bankra. Now Professor Dakwa. former vice chancellor, University of Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. That at that time, planning department, omni GPRT phone and Komuye. And provides a lot of history. That moment to my present for buy. No, I just said Bonkano. I said, well, yeah, because I will share the master plan now, a water transport sector now. Bonkra is key in terms of its location. Now we share the landlord countries, Burkina Faso, Nigeria, I'm going to drive over Ghana, Befanoma. And now a lot of consultants, Price Waterhouse, Motor and Transport Business of Holland, in so many World Bank have done a lot of studies to show say a bebois a 24. The President Kufuor started through GPHA and the Ghana Shippers Authority and Fufi and Tuata. And you lose your happen and this but almost interested in the NDC. Almost interested in the Bonkra project. A Daya Uhisika Shippers Authority for this shame see that Cassie ambassador. No Mujadi and Oto. Until 8 years no, Amanya Shay. Thereby, at that time, it was a Minister of Transport, not Railways Count. Railways Ministry Count. Now, the studies was done, comprehensive, both how to integrate the railway and the other things. Thereby, the President said, we need to find a way to revive the Bonkra project. Then you see a come back to Price Waterhouse. Now, you share studies, and they are updating. And they are updating, I see an integrated project. We share railway line, we share the other. But the study still tells us without the railway line, we can still break even and make some impact until the railway line comes on board. Until you start the process. And cut it short September 2020. Come on. Because of the COVID, they had some financial challenges.
After shortcutting.
They have some financial challenges. The next year, re-engineering. The president gave me orders. Say, I should look for money together with the Ghanaian private sector for them. But I can tell you, say, Usha, since November last year, a Juma cost our Bonkra. And not person can walk down Koshe now back. The construction has started.
Oh, Bonkra.
Now,
if you throw back at me like that, that's all bomb Kutia. But let me give you any horse. That's what I have to be, and I've been honest with you.
It's because the winner would do my own contract.
A crime is swimming to an amount called Jida. And sometimes there's also Jitum say,
construction has started. Just more construction. MPS port now. All the paving block. If the French company be, the friend Ifaj. Because all Kotakwadi port today, the multi-purpose terminal now, just more was part of it. The one that came in terms of this arrangement now. Wakoda muyepa. The contractor or yeah, Juma. No, but my friend. No, go him for DNA Juma or your horses here. Wakache say by the end of 2023, we do 80%. By the first quarter to the end of the first quarter of next year to second quarter, na Bonkani ye construction
phase 1.
Phase 1. Phase 1.
Because
master plan, your phase 1 and phase 2. The component in phase 2 we are going to add up some smart city.
So phase 1 no DNA phase 1.
The terminal itself, the offices and the other facilities like filling stations, like custom blocks, like all what constitutes the port that remain over. But the only difference is that there's no sea. That is the only thing. Not the actual terminal no, is ready for operation. Until the president will commission the Bonkra Inland Port. I will be NDC for buyer almost all money interested. No way.
Why do you keep saying the NDC no interested?
Because you see, governance are similar here. It shouldn't be said we have project we and some mo tena no akisi say school dan bia na president NDC fu
John Dramani Mahama time mo ye no
Akufuado e ja wa sintina mo tena mo ka
but it's not good
very good
but it's not good
governance is continuous this is come buy no na nka na baby edu no come continue ke ye wi a ke nya ho fa
maybe the resources maybe the resources but because of money interest
a priority aban bia na say de obi nya no sika o de renam obi nya no de edit school fees obi kura nya no de edit dan depend say obi your priority so prioritizing the year obi to my year.
So God will in 2024 Boankra first phase we are done.
Of course. That is how hard worker president we were. Young Kasabibre but committed no so by idea oye. So
God willing dry land now a keta homes me twema me for so what them say.
And so young can was them.
Of course. Minister say
let me say amampanyini ko ran oko kita o se o ma ho ba se oba obesi kita port. Back up my country marine works are very delicate and very expensive.
Marine works.
So obesi kuka se wusi habo e wonsuom unu klemu asase afrinsuom a we need studies a what the children will be we are somebody because I believe in the integrity of the studies that you have done. And so any pan to discuss about Bisham crowd yes. And there are two companies in the world that when they come in terms of consultancy, as far as marine works are concerned, very expensive. Royal Hansconi.
Yeah.
Who knew Royal?
Yeah, almost a Juma Port, almost 2 4.
Very good.
I was I know port to say
very good. And then a car that company we boom. Sehon, then Royal Hansconi. Here by no, here cast your best studies. We needed this. We no much require fast for port because we need a feasibility study before we can build anything. I have been telling people say building a port is not an event, but it's a process. At any point in time, we jump one step back, the integrity of whatever you have done.
And what about you?
First, I'm going to say, almost 4-5 years, some of the best studies. You meet there. If there's anything that they can bridge it, let's do it. Any high on best studies, man. Almost 30 years, they needed to travel to Ghana. Studies, 2019, covered in the buy. To move slow down, but studies are ready. To the ready to the sense, say, government has enlisted a real studies. What we want to do in the West Africa zone, Ghana practices what we call the hybrid system, whereby the port authorities, as also a service operator. You will never find it anywhere. If you're a landlord, we don't operate services. It is only in Ghana. The embassy is reverted.
Sadiano.
And the agency say for the Kita port, GPHA or the port authorities will only become a landlord, where the service operators will build the individual terminal, what we call the Antwerp model. If you go to Antwerp port, it's one of the most revered ports in the world. The port authorities are just only landlord. All the terminals they belong to other companies. Government, as I'm talking to you today, has earmarked $5 million for the building of the headquarters. Last month, around November, October, I went to Qatar, and you can call the municipal authorities, call the chief of KG. The port is not in Qatar, it's in KG. But in our master plan, we name it Qatar Port because that is our coordinate. The coordinate point the place to be Qatar. But just after Qatar, a town called KG. I went there with Toby Akolache to give us some. We needed some land be outside our scope to build the headquarters. You know my arrangement in the area and pay everything by March. We need to start the construction of the headquarters. Once we go through EI, the issue EI, expression of interest has been issued. About 10 or 9 companies have expressed interest into a transfer near shortlisted. Once we do that for them to come here and build the terminals, government is sort of buying here Nifamudi. Nifamudi and they say, put up the administrative building. March here be started. And they say, oh, now if we say you're fast also more for Muntino, port and start here, and you're correct.
Okay, because on the tangent of education, now some my insight, Keta Port, I don't want to feed into a say, but forgive me this morning. So when a certain group of Ghanaians, inclusive our journalists, inclusive our politicians, people who are concerned about Ghana. I say, this is a port that a social crime from, and so I buy a didn't pay minimum to payroll. Can you explain it?
Come if you are so be honest, do you no be honest, you Ghana, Obi Kwaku Musa idea if it was here to. You see, many creature, so me point to be say, oh, idea is someone, my friend engineer, my friend director, me yes ya. It depends on the role and the amount of play. Now, if some find out, they will not even find out. Then they run with it. And we are comfortable with that. Because me a juma, and nipa bear me and son 9 because na port me so dear to present that. You can't so move focus no my na. So can you say dedicated work na the more na. And can resume but we check them to make sure say they are specifically to deal with the issues at that point. And for me, I think it's worth high. Maybe I'm a do no. A year dear name here. See yes,
so people are paid.
Oh, about we brought in one person
to oversee the processes.
To oversee the process. Every other person is a worker at GPH. Every other person is a worker at GPH. But we designated him as a director to see the processes.
News flash. No port, but an appointed director general.
Oh. So you can explain it over and over and over. Some of for some once I was a director of port, but you see port we are not for so. Maybe I do know that the decision that we took is the right decision.
It's in the interest of Ghana.
It's in the interest of Ghana. Me say NDC.
Not necessarily. Not necessarily the NDC.
Maybe. I mean, cast some children. I don't know what I take a press conference and now journalists. It's so. Nanti, omo the money is how many years? Me without.
Omo call money. About 19 or so.
Kita port, a greenfield port. Omo nim, our master plan of GPH. They did not even dream. Say on yesterday the ponoma EBB. No be our say why. Sa no motie. The biata de so ya de pe. Ade
omo nye osi akwa omo say anamontu no emu ogre.
Oh, na onu kwa wan to be.
Njomu kwa so kase wanamontu no.
Oh, kwan kra mpa say won so question I don't hear na wo kase na wo de na wo ye. Na se bia onya akwa so bobu manda. Keta people have been voting for NDC since the day of our started the Fourth Republic. If you the highest vote, cry mom. Na me support na mu hia wo. Omba nkofo omu top mom no mu nya hwe mom. Baby na omu nya hwe for mom. Omu kita pot hia wo ma. Come start because they had opportunity. The master plan of DPH na nya only available to us. Omu nim say port.
But that's why they raise issues. For instance, Kwaku painting Sunya Airport no. And I'm also my renovation. But they also mu yankasa with Sunya won ankasa de
in 2012. In 2012 na terminal ne say no. Who was in power? Me was out.
The NDC.
Yes, I don't know me. Terminal na say na.
Nshishegu ho say be
me see from 2012 to 2014 no to 2016 na omo free power. Na terminal na playing combat na playing call. And now problem started bar terminal na edupre no land was. E dey no mo ye omo patch mpo. No mo grandi omo say photos about there omo grandi.
Go no mo be here fufuro.
Omo be ewa hin. Omo bibi kire wo. No be ewa hin.
Ba se okoto nkrata e kire say za port bia so nko awiem share land was you know. One okoto nkrata so don't overlook it.
Mami ka some kire.
Minister you should don't overlook it. Don't overlook it.
Mami I've said this thing. There's a very particular thing that you are doing. Sadie we near the people will not make a distinction. They will not be able to know what the government has done. Oh, we can go by way. What do I know do nyira? Ebi wo. And then now I come na obi wu no jam kokofu bi. Oh, okwasi oja mini na te woni kokofu bi o ne yakọ. Oh, wachina. They watch you be do ni nyina.
Odo anu na ekeka.
Would have me see kita port ye buy ye see ye be ye. And ma kire wade aye ye ma kire ba bia ye du. Enye be pa no keke. Nti wachina wo ba wo be hu ade aye. Sinya ni port no na omo si ye buy na tutu ye see ye be ye. President ma order see ye nya phase 1 no na adupre ntumi nko ne 30 phase 2 phase 1 ye wie adupre ko enu ne kire sa aban president wa na bi so be bo ane man enya de wode na no hu nwura wode na no do no hu ze wo nwura wode wo kira me be medua mo wa ntino ba be do ha nyina na wode na no waka the first wode wa no be kasa wo be do mufu na be do kokofu that means why ndi me metana na nkasa obi hu paper bi wo no mo obi ayi bibi.
Okay, so Mamenka will say, Kwaku Ofori Asiamah, Minister, Transport and Energy.
Now, time
there be your more time. Lot of text messages about me say your more time, Minister, correct time. Oh, Minister. Take Coach University, Zubado, okay.
Who do you say the best university in Ghana?
It can never be true.
Oh,
tell Honorable Asiamah, if they underrate the NDC come 2024, they will be laughing at the wrong side of their mouth. I don't agree with him. If NDC are in power, things will be, I don't agree with him. And which one I say? I don't agree with him. If the NDC was in power, things wouldn't have been worse. Jex, Ewo Tadi, and all the way there. Kwasi Che, me offer MPP Asante region. In fact, we're trying for ongoing works. Buankra and Joy reported it. Joy FM reported on the Abremia. Buankra Inland Port Project work is steadily progressing. This is a Joy FM report. And Kwasi Che, Mame Nasi for just also updating me on this one. And this one says,
yeah. The Kenya Joy from Port Yanga.
No, me say, Waka. Kwasi Che di aba me offer no
man na me cause also joy because one father no Joy FM report Joy FM but say the Kenya Joy na report to dia enka wunjin dia na na person but
that's a credible platform. A credible.
Are you saying that me?
No, you are the supervising minister.
Are you saying that me?
No.
I'm not a credible source.
No. You are
me.
You are
me. I'm better than
Wadarma. And Franco, what be a kwama to say? Ye kra adwuma to sin. Ti say ye na ye kohwe na ye be dia dance a. Afo wo dia wo kaso. And I'm saying reliance on Joy no. It's because their credibility is at stake. And Kwasi Che asa dia bremi. Me am here multimedia. So it's super credible.
I don't want to agree with you.
Okay, Mr. Mamenka can back with the question. Good morning, Senior. We the youth in the region have strong respect for Transport Minister for he knows what that time is it politically. We are solidly behind him and the regional team towards the correcting the wrongs. Okay, so this one says that Senior kindly ask Honorable Asiamah what is being done to solve the tidal wave challenge the Moree landing beach construction has brought about to the people of Moree.
Yeah.
Houses are being washed off as a result of the constitution of the landing beach has compounded the challenge. Until they want to know what you are doing.
I agree. I'm not saying, marine works, a very complicated thing. And you know, this matter had come to our attention. The Royal has gone for have a discussion. We got the two consultants, engineers, we are studying some of the. Maybe to say, senior, there's an issue. I must not a dump baby. But engineering work there, as the we die, there will be defect somewhere. But we are a funny solution to solve the problem. Until we are on it, we will find solution.
Okay, Minister. So, okay, I respect your caveat. You know, there's a big man in the NDC. Big man in the NDC. Big. Yeah. If I say big, it's big. Minister. Minister is now saying governance is difficult. But today, management of our exchange to the COVID-19 matter. Good morning. I have to respect. I have to respect because Oruagaza I plead is
but and I'm a kind. I'm not expecting everybody. So Oba agree with me or what I've said. That is why you're competition. But so only part 20, only part 50, no home position. What the descending mind will tell you. That is where we should go.
Well, but for the prices in terms of transport fares, you know, any metro mass, any Kumasi airport I know the media I don't want to conclude that it is done, but once it's not operational,
okay. There were 2 issues. Every port to be airport, there were 3 issues. We look at the terminal itself. Maybe I don't land. Near tower no, because no control. Then we look at the terminal and a runway no. For Kumasi, the terminal is done. We are doing a run test. We need to move to the terminal near to my old building no, because when a new runway no, ebefa. You know, so tower no, control tower no, so they are almost done. But we need to break. Baby, I you know, because maybe some canal with Tiasi. Yeah, runway no, because per the arrangement no, as he move to the new terminal no, near breaky old terminal. Yeah, to me. Now, my way, I because yeah, terminal, yeah, runway to make sure, and you move to move here. You will break by the end of March. We are near 30. And then 30 now, I hope so by in October now runway no see we. And the other 30 will pretty terminal no by March.
So one in the many series the transport minister will come because a lot of your issues here with how our multinational car get you and two mono more challenges so and then benim so modia by on metro mass ayalolo to the best of my knowledge.
Mami that was special with the as a media we are the na ya America. Yeah. We interested was show metro mass in Ghana because no chance would do Ghana. Yeah. And for me I think it's one area why are there. So they would DJ Gumi so minister my boss is because boss is here young waduma. Ebi aba ebi so ba.
And I know
oh the 45
the 50 be by.
You see Kwabra that is what I told you say boss on follow manufacture boss. Come I will show you the documentation because of the COVID no. Ebi wo China no mo different parts from different area. Ebi wo China, ebi wo Egypt, ebi wo Brazil, ebi wo America. Obaka say China for where you know across down. And then so my best 6 months, 1 year can once and year to maybe. It is like you can't cover nasama. Omo monti has no omo the real effect of the COVID on our economy. Me you COVID of more social and economic issues than even health issues.
Let me see because Karisha for questions be Saba and myself is other.
But I reshuffle better there. Now we are reshuffle.
Yeah, of course. We were soon and anywhere.
We are reshuffle.
I can tell you the reshuffle and another 28th of January.
Sir.
Yeah.
I see.
You don't have a problem.
Minimum.
Yeah, minister.
Minimum the reshuffle.
Because any bound and as a money boy any so. Any bar other ministers be home and that's a money boy any so. Baby more called the honor. I trade any Brian KTM on Neko. Yeah, we are no. I'm expecting the president. Mr. Sopeso doing what here. Make much late now. These are issues I've talked about several here on the platform.
You are not the president, and don't usurp.
I'll one day be a president.
You are not, and don't usurp the powers of the president.
I'll one day be a president.
You are not. I'm talking now. You are not. Don't usurp the powers. Mami,
family say, "Oh, mami fear." And the shame na mama control.
Now me to me wa bem. Now also me can asemo.
And the sanity.
The me sanity asemo a o mampanyin powers. Emma o kwaso de
go for some emphasis.
Now me
transport minister dey take go boy we. O dey be by one in the series obekoso aba. Ni nye den but obekoso aba. Me das pa o. And I'll fact check me so lots of your questions about mentimi no anje bre anken kan ma minister. Dem timi kan dem ofa and cherry the mentman kan nyina. Nyame adom e bre say we say this ankomo. Yeah that's all cause we Adom TV. Bye bye.